In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove noise from your video background. So if you shoot a big video and it's in a noise environment, I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to remove noise from your video background. So join me in this tutorial. Let's dive in. So before we dive in, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure that you follow me on this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the information. Also help me to share these videos to others to see these videos. So let's dive in. So open your CapCut app. So click on your CapCut app to open it. So you are going to click on the new project so that you will import that video that you want to remove the noise from the background. So you click on new project, then you select the video that you want to remove the noise from the background, then you click on add. So to remove the noise from the background of the video, you click on that video, the timeline of the video, then you scroll your timeline. So just keep scrolling until you get to see reduce noise. So you click on this reduce noise to remove the noise from the background of the video. So once you click on it, then you will click on this arrow, this thing, then next you click on this good sign. So once you are done with that, then you scroll again, you go to your volume. So you click on volume, you click on your volume so that you can increase your volume, the volume of the video. So you click on volume, then you increase the volume a little bit. So you increase the volume a little bit, then you click on the good sign. So once you are done, then you click to save your video to your phone. So this is how to remove noise from your video, so that your video will be sharp and it will get more audio quality. So if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure that you like this video, and if you have not followed me, make sure you follow me and help me to share this video to other people to see this video.